Okay, so my husband's an engineer, and one of the things that he's been talking about a lot lately is a thing called ChatGPT. He thinks it's a great tool. He asks it tons of questions. He's been using it to help him with some projects around the house. And so we were actually talking about ChatGPT the other day, and I made a comment to him. I was like, I wonder what would happen if you asked ChatGPT for a basic spaghetti sauce. Well, he did, and it gave him a basic spaghetti sauce, the ingredients and all the instructions. So I'm gonna make that recipe right now, and let's see how ChatGPT does, or as my husband calls it, the Oracle. Let's see how it does with some spaghetti sauce.
Start with 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pot that you heat. Then it calls for a pound of ground beef or Italian sausage, an onion that you dice, 3 cloves of garlic that you mince. Cook that together. Add a can of crushed tomatoes, a can of tomato paste, a cup of chicken broth, a teaspoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of basil, teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and cook.
Okay, I followed the recipe and it smells good. So let's see what this is going to taste like. I did not vary from the recipe because I normally do that, but I did not this time. I'm going to see what ChatGPT can do. I think we're gonna have to doctor it a little bit. Salty, a little too much basil, salvageable. I think I'm gonna add sugar. All right, I'm coming back in with the sugar. Just gonna add a little bit, stir it up, taste it. Maybe add a little more. Because it's too salty and it had a little too much basil, I'm gonna add the sugar so I can get some contrast in there. Much better. It's about a 1/4 cup of sugar. So I will post this to my blog. I'm going to have a whole section, call it ChatGPT, and we'll continue to kind of experiment with this new AI that everyone's talking about and see what kind of recipes it can come up with. Enjoy.